Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam Pamelas Creations, and I'm here today to show you a subscription box I got. This is the first time I have ever ordered this, and this is the Crochet Society. I've never ordered one before. Super excited. I think I ordered it last month and it came in yesterday, I think, or this morning, something like that. Anyways, I am excited to open this up on camera. So I'm going to pause you real quick and open it up and then go from there. Oh my gosh, look at this pretty box. It is so pretty. And it even has her name, Welocome Crochet. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I absolutely love it. So let's open it up. Oh, it's Velcro. Oh, how cool is that? I've never seen a box opening on this. And it says, "'Tis the season to be crafting. Don't forget to make it with us. Hashtag Crochet Society." And look at how well taped that is. Oh my goodness, I'm super excited. Oh, how neat. Pretty paper, everything. And one of my favorite yarns, Stylecraft. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And this is Heather. Shade 3750. That's what that is. Greased. And Stylecraft, which is my favorite. I love that yarn. And it's super soft. And then we got, oh, this is my favorite color. Oh, so pretty. And this one is Highland Heather. And this is Wild Salmon. Oh, how so pretty is that? Oh my gosh, 100 grams. Oh, super nice. I am seeing a stuffy of some sort. They give you some stuffing. We'll just call it stuffing. That's a lot of stuffing. Let's see what else they got here. Oh, how cute. I got some, oh, how neat. Christmas tags or tags? Let's see here. I guess it's the care of the stuff you make. And you can put it on here and put it to your, what else did we get? Oh, how adorable. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm super excited. Look at that. And let's see, got this little guy here. Let's see what's in here. Eyeballs. Awesome. A cookie cutter. Sweet Treats cookie cutter. Oh, how cute. We got this thing here, and I gotta figure out what it is. Ornament, maybe? I'm not sure. Awesome. And some stickers. Handmade. Oh. Let's see. Envelope. 'Tis the season to be crafty. Oh, it's a Christmas card, maybe? No? Let's see here. What is this? Oh, hook sizes. And the UK, which I already know that. UK and US terms. Let's see here. What we got here. Oh, this is what it is. How adorable. It's an ornament. Oh, and you got some little frillies to hang it with. And that's what that is. Oh, okay. this is what we're going to be making. Oh, fun. I love it gives you all kinds of instructions on here. Oh, how fun. I'm super excited. Let's see here. Ooh, a crochet hook. Oh, look how pretty that is. Ooh, I'm super excited to use this. Look at that hook. Oh, I love it. Oh, I'm super excited. And then I got Christmas cards I could send out. Look at that. Oh my gosh. How fun. And just little goodies and a coupon and stuff like that. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys, I'm just super excited. I was always wanting to order her stuff. You get all kinds of neat goodies in here. And I love how they take care of the shipping and everything on that. That'll be fun to make. It won't take any time at all. Oh, how adorable. They sent all kinds of goodies in here. Oh my goodness. I like how they give you tags to hook to your fibers or what you make, and it tells you on how to take care of it. That is awesome. Wow. Pretty neat stuff. Has anybody here tried Crochet Society before? I love style craft yarns though. I have some of that and I absolutely love, it's one of my favorites. And it's so cute. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I love it. I can't wait to use it. And then the little yarn trim to hang it up on. And my daughter's gonna love this. Christmas tree cookie cutter. Yeah, so she can make cookies. And then it tells you to use the passcodes. How fun. Eyes. And this pretty hook. I really like this hook. It's a 3.25 millimeter hook. Oh my gosh, super nice. Yep, super, super nice. Oh, sorry. I have you guys way, way out here. Awesome. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. And let me know down below if you ever tried Crochet Society. I'm hoping I can do them again this month or next month, because I did order this last month, but I was on a waiting list for a while. So yeah, it's a lot of fun. I'll have to put this all back, and it even has the name. I just really like this hook because I think it's so pretty and festive, and this is my favorite color, so it's a win-win situation here. All right guys, that is all for now. I hope you like what you saw and check out Crochet Society. I am not affiliated with them at all, but I will link it down below in the description box if you're interested in checking them out. All right, you all stay safe, take care of yourselves, and God bless. Oh, and also don't forget to subscribe, the button down below, hit the notification bell so you can see more of my videos, and like and share. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. All right, y'all, take care and see you all later. Bye.